Good morning, everyone. I'm Neha Pruthi, your English educator, and today we'll start a new chapter that is Crusoe Builds a Home. Firstly, I would like to tell you that this chapter is taken from Adventures of Robinson Crusoe, which is written by Daniel Defoe. Right? Robinson Crusoe was a sailor. He was an adventurous man. He was a thrilling person, a risk taking person. Often he went out to the sea for adventures. But once what happened, his ship was caught in a storm and then it sank. And Crusoe alone survived on that island and somehow he reached on a particular deserted place, right? So the chapter starts as now. When he opened his eyes, he found himself that he was on the seashore of an island, right? No companions were there with him. He could only see the broken ship, which was perched at a little height into the sea. Somehow he gathered up the courage. And he just got up. And what he felt, he was feeling hungry, thirsty, and tired. And to quench his thirst, he found a pond near himself and he drank the water. The water was not salty, so he drank the water. And to quench his hunger, he could find that there were trees also, and on those trees there were red fruits. The fruits were not tasty, but still he ate them up to satisfy his hunger. Then he was tired. Then he decided that there might be some wild animals in this on this island, although I have not seen them, but that doesn't mean that there are none. So it's better for me to make some place, to make a house where I could just relax and quench my exhaustion, right? So what he decided that he is going to make his house in the north direction where he can protect himself from the sunlight. He decided that he should make home near the place where he can protect himself from sunlight, from the rain, and from wild animals. So to protect himself from sunlight, what he has done, he has chosen the north direction, as sun rises in the east and the hot sun would never shine on it too much. Then there was a wall of rock at behind. Then he started building the house against that rock so that nothing can come from behind, right? Then to protect himself from rain, he decided to make tent. There was sails is a piece of fabric which is attached to a ship or a boat. So there was some sails in the tent material in the ship. He went there and bought that material, and from that he has made tent. Firstly he made a smaller tent, and above it he made a larger tent to protect himself from the rain. And to protect from wild animals, he started making barricading of the branches of the tree. He made it a barrier, right? Then he made an underground room where he could just comfortably relax. And he made his house at a particular height so that he can find if any ship is going, so he can stop that ship and get himself rescued. There were none other than his companions with him. Only one dog was there and two cats. See, they were his friends, and they showed him love in many ways. They were a great help to this man in the island, lonely man in the island, right? Each day he would go out in the on the highest spot of the island in a hope that he would see the ship, but all in vain. Finally he goes to ship and he picks up the small things and the big things which are relevant to him. Then he found that he had some pens, he had ink, he had paper, he also had bible and many other books. So he finally decided to keep them in a place which is dry and safe. Ultimately, out of several days exhaustion, his tent started to leak. The rainwater used to come inside as it rained often on that island. So he had made some handmade things because he did not have a spade, so he made an artificial spade from the branches of the tree, from the wood of the tree. He made shovel, he made several things, and then finally he made a table and chair for himself whereby he could sit, take his dinner, and could read and write, right? So finally he arranged all his belongings in the shelf which he has made, and he was very happy that finally all his things are settled at a particular place. And although he has not made such a beautiful house, but everything is arranged, and now this can be called as a nice place, nice home, right? This chapter is all about the efforts of the Crusoe which he has done in building a particular house. And the moral says self belief and hard work will always earn you success. He believed in himself and he had done so much of effort. See how he is making the barricading out of the branches. Then he started making the tent. So these all are the things which he did. And then finally he had a ladder also. He had made a ladder also to climb up the area. So that's all for today. Thank you.